the ocean. Majestic, powerful, endless. No word can truly capture its essence. This week, I found myself drawn to its shore, not by choice, but by the serendipity of a family trip. My plan was simple: to spend time with my family, not to create videos or immerse myself in work, as I usually do. I have been to the sea countless times before, always finding joy in playing in the water, searching for shells, and watching children build sandcastles. But this time, something was different. The waves of the sea, the salty breeze, the eternal rhythm, they unfolded something profound before me and made me realize the depth of solitude. Is it my age, my state of mind, or some unspoken longing? I don't know. But this time, the sea spoke to me in ways it hadn't before. The sea is adventure, the sea is joy, but the sea is also like love. Waves crash with a power that overwhelms, a roar that drowns out all else. Yet, when they reach the shore, they melt away. They surrender, as if the waves long to be there, only to be pulled back again, returning in an endless symphony of longing and reunion. Sometimes they come in gentle rhythms. Sometimes they come with the force of a tsunami, crashing with a ferocity that demands attention. But no matter how they arrive, whether in serene grace or in wild tempest, after every surge, they crash upon the shore, and the shore knows they will always return. It's a never-ending love story, a bittersweet symphony of reunion and farewell. Each meeting is a fleeting embrace, a momentary touch, only to fall apart again. But in that brief moment, there is magic, there is connection, there is everything.